Why is China spending billions on mind-blowing mega projects? The answer will surprise you. Let's dive in. From high-speed trains zipping across the country at 220 miles per hour, to the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, the world's longest sea crossing. China's construction game is next level. Their South-North Water Transfer project moves more water each year than the entire Thames River. And get this, they're even building a brand new city, Xiong'an, designed to be smarter and greener from the ground up. Why these mega projects? China wants to boost its economy, connect its people, lead the world in innovation. But these projects aren't just about showing off, they're about solving real problems for millions. Love them, hate them. China's mega projects are rewriting the rulebook on what's possible. Would you visit one of these engineering marvels? Let me know in the comments.